Dogs Bay. Dogs Bay, look at this, beautiful. Woohoo! Whoa, fell down a hole.
Ooh, bit windy.
Bit windy, but we are going to brave it and go for another swim. This will be our second swim of the day.
Yeah.
What date is it anyway?
Friday the 16th of June, I think.
Friday the 16th of June. We've had a bit of rain.
Probably can't hear anything with the wind.
Yeah, wind is howling. But anyway, Dogs Bay, we're off for a swim.
Not very often you take off a hoodie and trackies to go swimming, is it?
No. Maybe in Ireland.
Yeah.
Boo, 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 boo. Whoa! One, two, three. Oh my God!
A bit colder than the lake this morning, isn't it?
Whoa! I need to get shallower before I can dive.
Yeah, it's really cold.
Okay, one, two, three. Jesus, it's cold. Oh. Nice.
My hands get so cold.
This is where we slept last night. Another cracking park up. We had two other vans with us. One's already gone. We got this one from Spain, and here's our van. But yeah, another superb park up here. This monument is the John Alcock and Arthur Whitten Brown Memorial, and it was it's to commemorate the first transatlantic flight, which if just off in the distance, I'll point with my cup of tea, there is a white cairn, and that denotes the spot that they touched down on the morning of the 15th of June 1999. So we arrived yesterday, the 16th of June. So almost 104 years to the very day. Wasn't planned, but there we go. But they took off from St John's in Newfoundland 16 hours and 27 minutes before their aircraft touched down, which was a Vickers Vimy biplane for those who are interested. Powered by two Rolls-Royce Eagle 8 engines, 350 horsepower each. And one more interesting fact for you: the average speed during the flight was 115 miles an hour back in 1919. Imagine flying across the across the Atlantic Ocean. So there we go, another interesting fact. Yesterday was a day of history because we also visited the Patrick Pearse cottage. He was one of the leaders of the Easter Rising of 1916, which ultimately led to the War of Independence and the creation of the Republic of Ireland. That was an interesting spot as well. But just look at this view, absolutely stunning. So Ireland, home to the first touchdown of a transatlantic flight, and also home of the first transatlantic communication cable. It's like a history lesson. And this is the cairn that we saw way up on the hill where we slept overnight. This is the landing site, or the crash site, should I say. But yeah, they came down here in all this peat bog area, just over yonder. Pioneering. These gentlemen were pioneering. Look, we can see the crash site look like? Possibly you can see that.
When they landed here, there was low
Low mist in Ireland?
mist. Yeah.
Never.
I didn't realise they were landing in a bog. And despite a perfect landing approach and ground contact, because of the bog, the nose sunk and they crashed.
Well, I guess if you're going to land anywhere, a peat bog is as good as any point.
Yeah.
But we have just walked through a very rocky landscape, and in fact, not only is this the crash site for the first transatlantic flight, it's also the site of Marconi's first transatlantic wireless Morse code station. Just over there was the condensing house or something like that, and I think over there is the brains of the operation. But this is the site that first transmitted transatlantic Morse code. So we've been to the first site for the transatlantic cable. Now we're at the site for the first transmitted wireless communication between America and the continent of Europe. Pretty special stuff. Good stuff indeed. So we've been at Clifton Eco campsite. Is that the official?
I think so, yeah.
Clifton Eco campsite, very near Clifton, as you would suspect. But it's a beautiful, pretty rustic campsite. We've got a great spot just down by the sea on the other side of the campsite, but this is its own private beach. Look at this.
The sea's out quite far, isn't it?
The sea's out quite far today, but we are still going for a swim. It's a little bit cold.
Is it?
Well, no.
What, the water?
Yeah, the water.
Yeah.
But refreshing, character building stuff. I just can't get over this. But I mean, this could be. We've been to some beaches in like Sardinia and places, and this is up there, isn't it? This equals, or is on a par with some of those Sardinian beaches we've been to. It's absolutely stunning.
Should we do this side today? We've always gone over there.
Let's do this side today. So we've got some seaweed hot tubs as well on the beach, so you can pay for a seaweed bath. We've already done that a bit further up, but it was a proper bath in a spa. This is just a bit more rustic. Some old whiskey barrels that they fill up with hot seawater and put in some organic seaweed, and you have a seaweed bath. What a spot. So it's day we've just done 4 weeks. We've just done 4 weeks on the road, I think.
So 28, 29. Since we left home.
29 what?
Days.
29 days?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll be here 4 weeks.
4 weeks. 28.
Deary me.
But let's put our stuff on this front.
Yep, so we've just gone over the 4-week mark and we've hardly seen any rain. This is unprecedented, but we're not complaining. So there we go. It's I don't know, it's not, June the 19th. What date is it?
June 18th.
June the 18th. It's June the 18th. So we've got another. We've got until July the 6th in Ireland. Then we head to Scotland, and then we're heading down into England. We're finishing this trip off with a nice little 4-day festival, WOMAD. So if anybody's got a WOMAD, mind you, you'd be probably watching this after. In fact, you will be watching this after WOMAD, because we don't intend to release it until we get back, because too much editing. We're on holiday.
Work.
Too much work, but there we go. Right. Time for that swim.
10. And we're going swimming in the Atlantic Ocean off the Irish coast.